Understanding billing disputes. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but important phrase, billing dispute. This term is commonly used in business and financial contexts, so understanding it can be very beneficial. Let's dive in. Billing disputes occur when there is a disagreement or misunderstanding about a charge on a bill. This can happen with credit card statements, utility bills, or any other type of invoice. The key elements of a billing dispute usually involve the amount charged, the services or goods billed for, and the accuracy of the billing. Understanding this concept is crucial in managing personal finances or handling business transactions. Several issues can lead to a billing dispute. These include 1. Incorrect charges, being billed for something you didn't purchase or being overcharged. 2. Duplicate billing, being charged more than once for the same item or service. 3. Unrecognized transactions, seeing charges for transactions that you don't recognize. 4. Quality issues, disputing a charge based on the quality of goods or services received. When encountering a billing dispute, it's important to act promptly and effectively. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Review your bill carefully. Ensure that the dispute is valid. 2. Contact the company. Reach out to the billing department or customer service. 3. Provide documentation. Share any receipts or records that support your claim. 4. Follow up. Keep track of your dispute process until it is resolved. In many countries, consumers have legal rights when it comes to billing disputes. This often includes the right to dispute a charge within a specific time frame, the right to not pay the disputed amount while the dispute is being resolved, protection against retaliation, like service termination, during a dispute. Understanding these rights is crucial for effectively managing billing disputes. We hope this video has helped clarify what a billing dispute is and how to handle it. Remember, it's a common issue, and knowing how to deal with it confidently can save you time and money. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey.